Welcome to Pieces. Here's how you can install the app and start building your artificial memory today. First, open up your web browser and go to the Pieces homepage at pieces.app. Then click the Get Started button. This will take you to the download page for your operating system. On this page, select the install method needed for your machine. Pieces will start downloading on your computer, and once it's done, just open the file. Once Pieces opens, it will prompt you to finish the installation process. Follow along with those steps, and then you'll be asked to sign into your Pieces account. You can sign in with your email or social accounts. For this one, I'm going to be using Google. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Pieces welcome screen in your app. Just click Get Started. Then enable the permissions that Pieces prompts you to turn on. There's a quick tutorial video on that in the description below if you need it. Now Pieces is running on your computer, creating memories in real time of all the work you do. As Pieces is setting up, just work how you would normally for a couple of minutes and Pieces will generate your first summary. You're now ready to start using single-click summaries, chat with AI using full context of your memory, and you can check out your first Pieces summary. You're now ready to build your own artificial memory completely automatically with Pieces. We're here to help, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And welcome to Pieces.